Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and look for the screen recorder toggle, which for me is right up here. Once you find it, click on it, select agree. It gives us a quick little guide on the two options that we have, which are fairly self-explanatory. One is a timer for recording, and the other one is a toggle for microphone, which by default is enabled, so I just disabled it. As you can see, it's already recording, so whatever you will do right now will be recorded. If you open some kind of apps, they will also be recorded. And once you're done recording, simply click on this little timer right here to stop it. This will save it to your gallery. And last little bit of information: when you're recording apps, there is a chance that you might encounter some apps that will completely block a recording or screen recorder. So as an example, one of those apps is Netflix. So if you try to record Netflix, all you will get is the sound, because I don't think they can actually block the sound. But out of the screen recording, which probably matters more, you won't be getting any kind of image. It will be just a black frame and nothing to it. Now, anyway, going back to the recording that I have just captured, I can now open up Gallery and find that recording in here, which you can see right up here. I can start playing it. Let's allow access to storage. Give it a second and you should, there we go, start seeing movement. So anyway, that is how you record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.